Water splash effect on your PowerPoint? Come on, let's learn. Wanna learn how to do this? Watch the video. Don't forget to follow me, thank you. On the slide, insert video. Then on the playback, set the start to automatic. Don't forget to follow Teacher A Davis or Teacher G. This is how the splash video looks like. Now, insert shape and adjust to fill the slide. Then insert text box. And type water splash or any words you want. Adjust the font size and choose the font style you like. Click the shape, press Ctrl and click the text box. On the format, click the subtract on then merge shape. Then change the shape to black. That's it. Again, don't forget to follow Teacher A Davis or Teacher G.